What if I told you that a tiny seed, no bigger than a grain of sand, holds the power to transform your health in ways you've never imagined? You've probably heard about chia seeds being a superfood, but there's so much more to them than you might think. Stick around as I reveal 10 surprising health benefits of chia seeds that could change your life. Before we get into the surprising benefits, let's take a quick look at what makes chia seeds so amazing. Just 1 ounce, that's about 2 tablespoons, gives you 5 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber, and 18 grams of omega-3 fatty acids. These tiny seeds are also packed with calcium, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants. They're so nutrient-dense that they're often called a superfood. I'm going to share 10 surprising health benefits of chia seeds that you might not know about. Let's dive in. Number 1, regulate your blood sugar. Let's see the first surprising benefit of chia seeds. How it could control blood sugar level. Actually, chia seed can regulate your blood sugar. Research has shown that chia seeds can slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. This is great news if you're managing diabetes or just want to avoid those annoying blood sugar spikes and crashes after meals. The next thing is that how could we use chia seed? We can use it in different forms, like in different recipes and smoothies, etc. Number 2, improve heart health. The next amazing benefit is that it's very helpful for heart health. As we know that the ratio of death due to heart diseases is increasing. So, if we could use of chia seeds, it could reduce. Second big benefit of chia seeds, explore that it can improve your heart health. Thanks to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds help reduce bad cholesterol and inflammation in the body. Studies suggest that consuming chia seeds regularly can lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. Number 3, boost energy and stamina. Most of people, especially above 45, looks to improve their health. And no doubt, they need it. But might be they don't know they can improve themselves with chia seeds. Yes, the third benefit might surprise you. Chia seeds can actually boost your energy and stamina. You need to know how it could use for your better health. Because of their combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats, chia seeds provide a slow and steady energy release, making them perfect for long-lasting endurance. Ancient warriors like the Aztecs even used chia seeds as a natural energy booster during battle. Number 4, improve digestion. Next benefit is crucial for health. Because if our diet couldn't digest, how can we be healthy? Of course, you guess it well, the next surprising benefit is that chia seeds can help improve your digestion. These little seeds are rich in fiber, which is fantastic for gut health. When chia seeds absorb liquid, they form a gel-like consistency, which helps to promote regular bowel movements and can ease symptoms of constipation. So, where it helps to digest the food, it also saves from many dangerous diseases where one of constipation. So, it's an easy, natural way to keep your digestive system happy and healthy. Number 5, gain weight loss. Obesity is a big health issue, especially with age factor. Most of medicines does not useful because of their side effects. Besides that, most of medicines do not work for longer time. Due to dangerous side effects, most of people do not take risks to control their obesity with medicines. However, this is a great benefit of chia seeds that can gain weight loss. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, chia seeds can help you feel fuller for longer. They expand in your stomach when mixed with water, helping to curb hunger cravings and prevent overeating. Plus, their high fiber content keeps you satisfied without the added calories. Number 6. Enhance brain function. The sixth benefit is really an amazing benefit that touches with your brain. As we know that chia seeds have omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, fiber and magnesium in rich quantity that play a very important role in brain functionality. Some studies suggest that chia seeds may improve circulation and reduce blood pressure, which could potentially enhance brain function by ensuring that the brain receives adequate oxygen and nutrients. Chia seeds can enhance your brain function. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are not only good for your heart but also for your brain. These essential fats help improve memory, cognitive function, and mental clarity. If you're looking to boost focus, chia seeds can be a game changer. Number 7. Bone health. Maybe most of people have no idea about bone health. After age of 30, bone starts to become weakened, but stronger people go more and the function of weakened bones start after 40. The people who do care of their bone health most of usage calcium in different forms, either medicine or food like fruits. But you need to know chia seeds are fantastic for bone health. Packed with calcium and magnesium, chia seeds can help improve bone density and support healthy bone growth. Just a tablespoon of chia seeds provides about 18% of your daily calcium needs. That's great news, especially for people who follow plant-based diets and might struggle to get enough calcium from other sources. Number 8. Reduce inflammation. First of all, we need to understand, what is inflammation? This is a very important point because it helps you to understand the body function. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury, infection, or harmful stimuli like pathogens, toxins, or damaged cells. It's a protective mechanism that helps the body heal and fight off harmful invaders. But it can become problematic when it becomes chronic. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and certain cancers. The 8th benefit of chia seeds is that it can reduce inflammation in the body. Because chronic inflammation is the root cause of many chronic diseases, and chia seeds can help combat it. Their high levels of omega-3s and antioxidants work together to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, helping your body feel better and more balanced. Number 9. Natural detoxifier. Our body already has natural systems in place to handle the detoxification process. These systems include the liver, kidneys, lungs, and digestive system, which work together to filter and remove waste. In simple words, the next benefit is really great and it also has a high level. Because chia seeds are a natural detoxifier and supports to the detoxification process in the body. Thanks to their high fiber content, chia seeds help your body flush out toxins, improving liver function and supporting the body's natural detox process. A simple addition to your diet could help keep your body clean from the inside out. Number 10. Skin health. And finally, its last benefit of the video tells you about chia seeds. They can improve your skin health. Due to their antioxidants, chia seeds help protect your skin from free radicals that can cause premature aging. They also support skin hydration, keeping your skin plump and youthful. So, if you're looking to glow from the inside out, chia seeds could be the secret. These tiny little seeds are truly a powerhouse of nutrition. From improving your digestion to boosting brain function, chia seeds are definitely a superfood you don't want to overlook. I hope that you will start to use of chia seeds in your diet to improve your health and boost energies. You can find the link about skin health and vitamin D from the link below.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down